How to fix if your Prime Video app keeps crashing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from the Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the way on how you can fix if your Prime Video application keeps crashing. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, let's say that you simply open up your Prime Video application on your phone. It keeps crashing for no reason. Now there are likely two reasons for this. One is either because your Amazon version is not actually compatible with your operating system, or your operating system is not compatible with the current version of the Amazon Prime app. So in that case, you could actually use the web version of Amazon Prime, but seriously, whoever uses that, you could simply do that if you're using on the web version of your laptop or Windows. But we will go to some of the fixes. First of all, in order to fix the prior issue, which means if our Amazon Prime is not compatible, we will check if there are any type of updates for the Prime Video application. So open up your Play Store or your Google App Store or your Google Play Store, and then you have to simply search for Amazon Prime Video. If you see an update button right next to the Amazon Prime, I want you to actually update it to the latest version. Go ahead and just simply update it if there is an update button available. Now to fix the latter issue, which means that if your operating system is not compatible with the current version of your Amazon Prime, then in that case we have to update our operating system as well. So open up settings, and we have to look for the option called software update, and over here simply go to download and install. And if there is any bit, if even the tiniest bit of update available for your version of the software, then I want you to actually update your firmware to the latest version, because most likely that will fix the issue. And last but not the least, what I would recommend you to do is to simply clear the cache and the data. So go ahead and then open up settings, and again similarly go to apps. This time you have to go ahead and look for the Prime Video application. So just go ahead and then look for the Prime Video app. So as in my case, you can see over here. Now go to storage and tap on clear cache, and also clear the data of the app. And basically you have to re-log into your Amazon account, and most likely one of these would have helped solve your issue. If it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.